Are you pooping?
No.
Smells like you're pooping.
No.
Say excuse me after you burp. Excuse me. Say, are you pooping?
No.
I think you are. Jackson, don't stick your finger up your nose. Don't do that. Ah. Don't stick a finger up your nose. Nose picker, nose picker. Gross. Yuck. Yuck. Uh-oh. Do I smell poop? Can you say hi? What's a cow say? Jackson. Who's that?
Dad.
Can you say daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy.
Daddy, I think he's having a poop.
No, you're not pooping at the table. That's not right.
Can you say poop? Jackson,
Poop.
are you having a poop?
Poop.
Sniff. You smell that? You're not supposed to poop where you eat.
That's right.
Huh?
That's right, I said.
Here, do you want?
Birds?
Yeah.
What did they say?
Everything's cool. Jackson, can you say bye-bye? Can you You're beautiful. What are you doing with your mouth? Stinky. Zombie. The music. Okay, say bye-bye.